snowplow. It's been doing this since last night. You know how much we got? About 2 inches out there. Just enough to make things a mess. And it's wet, so it's getting icy on the roads. They're plowing, but they're not dumping any sand down. They're taking it right down, and you can see the ice underneath. Wonderful thing. So this is the superstorm, huh? Well, I think weather predictions were wrong again. 6 to 10, 10 to 24. Over 12 hours of snowing and 2 inches of snow. Nothing. Can't even see Croydon Mountain. Barely make out the firehouse. Yeah, it's all good. It's New England. It's winter. Just deal with it. It does clean up things nicely. Yeah. You know, maybe, yeah, we got about 3 inches now. Still, not all that bad. Hear that thing creaking more and more all the time. Just waiting for it to come down. Well, and this here going on in the fireplace sure don't hurt anything. Nice, warm. It could be messy out there. Accompany that with a good ale. This seems like nothing. Peace out, folks.